Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are installing a brand new evaporator coil and condenser for a walk-in cooler for a restaurant. And here behind me is a new one. We took the old one off, and there's a new one with the insulated drain line. You can see the P-trap in the back, and thermostat, everything's up and running. We've been here all day. So call us for our air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. 512-448-0532. We do 24-hour service, emergency service as well. So call us, again, Austin surrounding areas. See you guys in the next video. All right, happy customer.